What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I just want to update you on what's going on with my website. This is my website so far. Got all the packages and I'm getting everything together. So I hope you guys are ready. I'll be releasing the website's already up and running, but everything that I've implemented is not working thoroughly. It's not working properly yet. So please be patient. It will be up and running within the next week or two. And if you guys are interested in my courses, they're going to be really, really affordable. They're going to be full courses, but the crash courses I'll release on YouTube, and those will be for free. So those you guys can access. Those will be for free. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.